Hi guys, so today I'm working on a Chevrolet CRUZE. It's the 2016 model. It got the 1.4 liter, but not like the previous Chevy, like from 2012 to 2015. Like they had the same engine kind of, but the harmonic balancer, the crankshaft pulley, was only slot in there. This one is different. As you can see, it's not like the other one, the old one. So the problem with that is you cannot remove it like by hand like the old one. So what you need to do is to get a tool, a special tool. I can give you the part number of the tool. This is the part number of the tool that you need to have in the repair manual. I'm gonna show you what the kit I bought look like. So this is a kit from Amazon. It came with the tool to remove the pulley. So this go inside the pulley and you turn it and it lock it. So this piece gonna go in the middle. So while you lock it, you just press, you screw the bolt, and you're gonna push pressure on the crankshaft. You also have another part here that goes on the crank to not damaging. So after that, I'm gonna remove the seal, and to reinstall it, I don't have the tool to reinstall it from GM. So what I'm gonna do is take a rod, like a boat without a head, and screw it. I'm gonna show you. Wait a second. So this is what I'm gonna use. This is the same thread as the original crankshaft bolt. So I'm just gonna cut it a little bit, tighten the screw together, tighten the rod inside of the crank, then remove the nuts, put just only one nut like with one washer, put the pulley back after replacing the seal, and always put a new crankshaft pulley bolt. They recommend it in the repair manual. I'm gonna show you the part number. I have it. I get the original one from GM. So this is the new bolt, and this is the part number from GM, and also the crankshaft oil seal. This is the part number if you need to replace it, because mine is dead, as you can see, and the client didn't change the PCV at the recommended interval. So now the problem is that it was putting too much pressure on the seal and it bust down. So I might replace the PCV hose at the top and the PCV valve. I might do another video to show you that, because I might not do it today. And first thing first, you need to remove the inner fender inside of that. So you have multiple screw. They are Torx. I'm not sure. Yeah, I have it here. It's a T15, sorry. And you have also like 8mm screw, or 7. So I think it's 7. Yeah, 7mm inside of the fender, and screw on the bumper. After removing the inner fender, you only have to remove the strap For that you have the key slot for a 3/8 ratchet. So you just do it like you unscrew it. You remove the belt. After you're gonna have access to your pulley, you remove it. Like I said, just change the seal. Put it back together with the rod like I told you. And put the belt back, the inner fender, and we'll be back on the road. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a nice day and subscribe.